is Judith, a diabetic educator, here to explain you about how to check your sugars, that is, self-monitoring of blood glucose. Come, let us see the demonstration. Wash your hands and make sure the hand is dry. Insert the test strip into a glucometer. Prick your finger with a clean needle and squeeze a drop of blood. Place the drop of the blood to the edge of the test strip and you will get the result. Write down your blood sugar level. Normal blood sugar level in fasting is 80 to 120. You are advised to check weekly once 4 times a day. That is fasting 2 hours after breakfast, 2 hours after lunch, 2 hours after dinner. Consult your doctor with the recordings for your further treatment. Hope you would have understood the demonstration of how to monitor your sugars. If you have any queries, please contact us, Bangalore Baptist Hospital, Diabetic OPD. Thank you. Have a nice day.